Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to NTSB channel. Hello students, how are you today? I hope all of you are fine and always keep spirit in a learning activity. And today with us, Ma'am Aulia, Ma'am Dina, Ma'am Lily, we are going to learn religion and the subject is Qurdist. And now we will discuss some questions for final examination. Ma'am Dina, can you tell us what are the questions that will be discussed together?
So I will ask several questions to Ma'am Lily about religion subject. First, describe about Al-Fatihah. Ma'am Lily, I'm very confused to answer that question. And please show me how to answer correctly.
Okay, the first step, you answer about characteristic of Quran Surah Al-Fatihah. The second, you answer about the meaning of Surah Al-Fatihah. And the last, please you answer about the content of Surah Al-Fatihah.
You have to know the characteristic of Surah Al-Fatihah. There are three characteristics of Surah Al-Fatihah. Surah Makkiyah, 7 verses, and they are Tauhid Uluhiyah and Rububiyah. Next, the meaning of Surah Al-Fatihah. First verse. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Second verse. Praise be to Allah, Lord of all the worlds. Third verse. The most merciful Lego. Fourth verse. The honor of the day of vengeance. Fifth verse. We only worship you and only you ask for help. Sixth verse. Show us the straight path. Seventh verse. That is the way of those whom you have given favor to, not the road of those who are wrathful, and not also of the way of those who have gone astray. And the next, the conclusion of all surah in Al-Quran. It has 3 names, Ummul Quran, Ummul Kitab, and Asbabul Matsani. And after that, you can know the content of Surah Al-Fatihah. 3 verses in Surah Al-Fatihah include the meanings contained by Asma'ul Husna. All the details in the Quran concerning Allah are from the source of first 3 verses. The teaching of monotheism is contained in all 3 verses. The first is Sifatiyah. The 4th verse, Allah is the master of the day of judgment. The 5th verse, Allah controls everything that happens and whatever happens at the time. A Muslim must sincerely worship to Allah and may not hope praise to others. in sixth verse includes everything that covers business being in reaching Allah and turning to again His mercy and set aside besides Him.
Okay, next. The second question, Ma'am Dina.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Lily, about your explanation. And how about if I have a question like this?
The way to answer if there is a question describe tajwid mim sukun.
The second question. Describe about tajwid mim sukun. Actually, there are three kinds of tajwid of mim sukun. The first is idgham mimi, the second is idhar syafawi, and the third is ikhfa syafawi. First, we go to idgham mimi. What is idgham mimi? Idgham mimi is if there is mim sukun mid letter mim. And how the way to read idgham mimi? The way to read idgham mimi is enter letter mim sukun to letter mim that in front of it with mendengung. And next, idhar syafawi. Idhar syafawi is if there is mim sukun mid one of letter hijaiyah except letter ba and mim. And how the way to read? The way to read idhar syafawi is clear on the lips. And the last is ikhfa syafawi. Ikhfa syafawi is if there is mim sukun mid letter ba. And how the way to read? The way to read ikhfa syafawi is samar on the lips. Next, the example of idgham mimi.
Mislahum ma'ahum ajrahum marratayn fi qulubihim maradun. In letter that color red is tajwid idgham mimi.
Reason: there is mim sukun mid letter mim. The example of idhar syafawi.
The examples: number 1, fi amwalihim haqqun. Number 2, ka'amthali. Number 3, am ja'alu. Number 4, la'allakum tattaqun. In letter that color red is tajwid idhar syafawi.
Reason: there is mim sukun mid one of letter hijaiyah except letter ba and mim. Next, the example of ikhfa syafawi.
Number 1, wa man ya'tasim billah. Number 2, wa ma hum bi kharijin. Number 3, taqikum ba'sakum. Number 4, wa hum bada'ukum. In letter that color red is tajwid ikhfa syafawi.
Reason: there is mim sukun mid letter ba.
Okay, Ma'am Dina. And the last question? The last question is how the way to construct ourselves to read Al-Quran by batin and lahir. Could you show me the difference of batin and lahir and the way to answer that question?
And then Ma'am Lily will show you the correct answer. Let's see the detailed explanation.
And the next we go to the third question. Many Muslims whom read Al-Quran in the lips only. It doesn't get calm in the heart. Construct yourself to read Al-Quran by Dohir and Batin. First, prepare clean holy in spiritual and physical. Actually, in spiritual, for example, husu in worship, only intention to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and through the heart diseases. And the second, how about physical? In the physical, holy from hadas and najis. And the second, read Al-Quran and study in textual and contextual mean. We do not understand it. We must look for a teacher who can give information about it. After we learn Al-Quran, we must implement it in our life and always depend on to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala only.
Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe,
And share.
and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.